Using a manual sealer and tensioner, first take the lead or short end of the strapping and push down on the top lever of the tensioner to raise up the grippers. Then thread the strap under the cutter and under the windlass spool and under the grippers. Now take the other end of the strap and thread through the slot on the cutter and then through the slot on the windlass spool. Then pull back the slack and proceed to tension by ratcheting the lever forward. Proper tension is achieved. Place a seal down over both straps. Open up the proper sealer and place it over the metal seal and crimp it closed. Once the sealer is completely closed, open and release the sealer to reveal the finished seal. To complete the operation, press down on the top lever to cut the strap and release the tool.